Hello, I'm Chris Heilmann, and just gave a talk here at NEJS, and I talked about the current state of innovation in the web and that we're moving away from principles of the web, and that maybe it's a good idea to slow down a bit and look what we're doing, because I showed people a lot of the code that we've written in the last few years makes it hard for browser makers to innovate. So we're actually hurting the web that we're living on, so I thought it's a good idea to tell people about that.
Great UX is invisible. I always feel bad for people that do great UX, because the stuff just works and people like, well, yeah, it works, that's the obvious thing, you know.
But the most exciting thing about JavaScript right now is that we're upgrading it to a new language called ES6 or ES 2015, 2016, we change it every year. But what it means is that we're actually making the language grow up and be much more versatile than it was before. Originally, JavaScript was meant to do only things in browsers. Now we use it everywhere, and the language has to evolve. That comes with a few problems, but it also comes with a lot of exciting things that are happening right now. So getting up onto ES6 is a very important part of your career at the moment. There are many ways, many people I want to collaborate with when it comes to JavaScript development. Luckily enough, we have things like GitHub where you can just ping them and then start working with them. I'm working with Alex Rauschmeier, for example, who's very, very good. I work with people in the team which are amazing. I think it's not about rock stars, it's about the people that you don't see that are the really important ones to meet. And that's why I came here today as well, because these are people I never meet in other conferences, and that's really exciting, seeing somebody talk about leading edge features of JavaScript without being part of a browser was really something exciting to see. So a few of the other speakers here, I will catch up with and want to work with. If I had a weekend to hack on something, I probably would look more into machine learning APIs that we're having. Cortana APIs are available in JavaScript, IBM Watson. These kind of things are really exciting. They're frightening, they're almost Skynet in some cases, but it's a really exciting thing to do. Other things I work with and want to do more is machine learning on music, like Echo Nest APIs, for example, to get music, beats detection, these kind of things. There's lots of cool stuff out there. So there's lots of APIs available for us to play with. We just need to find the time to do it.
Those who couldn't make it to NEJS, what are they missing out on?
Well, people who are not here missing out on a very interesting community, on a very interesting location, because we're in the middle of a zoo. And so far, really, really nice organizers. To me, a conference stands and falls with the organizers, and the people here are very, very dedicated, and that's beautiful to see. My favorite zoo animal is an interesting question. I love wombats. These are really, really cool. But in the London Zoo, I'm sponsoring the aardvarks because they look like animals made up from spare parts from other animals, and that's pretty nice.